everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on chess. Chess is a two-player game played on a square board with 64 squares. The game has 16 pieces for each player, including a king, queen, rooks, bishops, knights, and pawns. The goal is to checkmate the opponent's king, meaning the king cannot escape from attack. Each piece moves in a unique way. For example, the queen can move in any direction and the knight moves in a L shape. Chess helps improve thinking skills like planning and problem solving. Players take turns moving their pieces to control the board. The game starts with all pieces in their special places on the board. Chess is played all around the world and has many tournaments. It can be a fun and exciting challenge for people of all ages. Chess teaches patience, focus, and strategy. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.